Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a reminder letter. What is a reminder letter? A reminder letter is a written communication sent to prompt or remind someone about a specific task, commitment, event, payment, or deadline, with the aim of ensuring that the recipient takes the necessary action or is aware of their responsibilities. It serves as a gentle notification to help prevent forgetfulness or negligence. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a reminder letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information as a sender of this letter. Yes, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company or organization or institution. And then, write also the name of the company or organization or institution. In this example, the letter is written by an account manager from ABC Services Incorporation. After that, write also the address of the company or organization or institution. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city state, and zip code. For the next, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. Yes, it is a must that you write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the recipient's occupation in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Client Relations Coordinator. And write also the name of the company, or organization, or institution. In this case is XYZ Corporation. Don't forget to write the full address of the company or organization or institution. Once again, you need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing all these information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, it is about introduction and reminder details. Yes, you can write greetings in a polite introduction. For example is, "I hope this letter finds you well." And then, mention the purpose of the letter. Yes, it is to provide a friendly reminder. For example is, "I am writing to gently remind you about our scheduled client meeting." After mentioning the event, mention also the scheduled client meeting. Write the date, and time, and location if it is necessary. For example is, "On January 1, 2024, at 2 p.m. After giving all details about the meeting, write an acknowledgement of the recipient's busy schedule. And show your understanding of potential forgetfulness. You can politely write, "We understand that work can become quite hectic. And sometimes important commitments can slip our minds." In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about the importance of the meeting or the event. Of course, it is highly recommended that you emphasize on the significance of the meeting and its purpose. And here is how you write it. As a friendly reminder, this meeting is crucial to discuss the progress of our ongoing project, address any concerns, and ensure that we are aligned on the next steps. The recipient may forget, and writing the urgency of attending the event is really necessary. Besides that, you need to also mention that the recipient's insights and input are essential. Emphasize how the event won't work well without the recipient's attendance. And you can write something like, "Your insights and input are essential to the success of our collaboration." In the third paragraph, this is where you write about a confirmation request. Yes, it is a polite request for the recipient to confirm the meeting. And you need to ensure it's on their calendar. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. "Please take a moment to confirm this meeting on your calendar. And ensure that you have set aside the necessary time." Not only that, you need to also offer to assist with any questions or scheduling conflicts. They may have schedules on that day, and you can ask them to inform you. Sure, you have to reiterate contact information for any queries or concerns. You may write something like, if you have any questions, require additional information, or encounter any scheduling conflicts, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And here, you can provide contact information like phone number and email address. For example as, at john.anderson@email.com or 555-123-4567. In the fourth paragraph, you can show your appreciation and value statement. Expressing gratitude for the recipient's partnership and cooperation is really necessary. It is a part of the template in all business letters. And you may write, we value your partnership, and appreciate your attention to this matter. And once again, state how their participation is crucial to the project's success. You have to emphasize once again that the recipient's attendance is really needed. You can write, your active participation will help us maintain the efficiency and success of our project. And in the last paragraph, it is where you write a closing statement thanking the recipient again. You can simply write, thank you for your understanding and cooperation. And write another reminder about the event by mentioning the date once again, for the last time. Here is the example. We look forward to meeting with you on January 1st, as planned. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under. So, that's how you write a reminder letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.